What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Sherb from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna start with drawing a semicircle line for the top of his head. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line down the side of his face. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. And I'm gonna make a turn down and a semicircle turn for the bottom of his face and up on the left side. Now for his ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the corner here, a curved line, and I'm gonna make a turn back in to the side of the face right there, and then I'm gonna draw a similar line inside of the ear, and we're gonna follow the same shape of the outline. And I'm gonna copy the same thing on the left side as well. Now for his horn, I'm gonna draw off center above his head, a curved line up and a semicircle turn back down to the side. Right there. I'm gonna draw two curved lines across the horn. Right there, and another one above it. And we're gonna copy the same shape on the right side. Now for his hair, I'm gonna take this point at the base of the horn and draw a semicircle line to the left and turn it back to the right. And at that point, I'm gonna make a sharp turn up. And then I'm gonna take this point in the middle of the head and draw a curved line to the right. And a sharp turn back up and turn it to the right. And I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back to the left and up. Now for his eye, I'm gonna take this point on the left and draw an oval shape. And we're gonna draw another oval shape on at this corner of the eye. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now below the eye, I'm gonna add an oval shape on the cheek. And I'm gonna copy the same eye on the right side. Now for his nose, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape with curved edges right there in the middle of the face, and I'm gonna draw a line down in the middle below the nose. Then I'm gonna turn it sideways with a semicircle line, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And we're gonna thicken the line of the mouth as well. And for the lower part of the mouth, I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line and thicken that up as well. Now below the head, at this corner of the chin, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and slightly turn it to the side, and then I'm gonna make a turn down and a semicircle line at the sleeve, and coming from the top of the sleeve there, I'm gonna draw a line out and semicircle turn back down and back to the sleeve right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the sleeve on the bottom part right there and going back to the center of the outfit. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a line down and I'm gonna draw the whole thing on the right side as well. And I'm gonna draw across a curved line for the bottom part of the outfit. Below the outfit, I'm gonna draw a line on the side, a curved line down. Then I'm gonna make a turn downwards and a semicircle turn at the bottom and back up in the middle. And I'm gonna draw a cross, a curved line in the middle of the legs. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Right above that, I'm gonna draw across another line for both legs for the hooves. And on the end of his arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line on both sides. And on his sleeve, I'm gonna draw slightly above the wrist a curved line. And another curved line above the lowest point of the shirt. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.